Hello, students of 5th standard. Today we are going to take a revision of lesson number 2 articles. What exactly articles are? In English grammar, a, an, and the are called articles. A is used before word beginning with consonant sound and an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Vowels. There are five vowels in English grammar: A, E, I, O, U. The is the is called the definite article, and a and an are called indefinite articles. Now test yourself. Fill in the blanks with a or an. She is ugly girl. She is dash ugly girl. Ugly vowel sound. Varanasi is a holy city. Holy consonant sound. He is not honest man. Honest man. Consonants. Sorry, vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. And honest is a vowel sound. That is why we mention here an. Copper is useful metal. Useful is a consonant sound. That is why we mention here A. He returned after dash hour. Hour is vowel sound. French is dash easy language. Again, easy vowel sound. That is why we mention here an. Aladdin had dash wonderful lamp. Wonderful lamp is a consonant sound. Misha has come without dash umbrella. 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 Vowel sound. That is why we mention here an. I bought dash horse and dash ox. Horse is a consonant sound and ox is a vowel sound. That is why we mention here an. Yesterday dash European came to our shop. European is a consonant sound. It is not vowel sound. Next question is a add an add a or an where necessary. Put a cross where neither a nor an is required. Note, remember only countables take a or an. Here first sentence dash cat has dash tail. A cat has a tail. Next, iron is dash metal. No article is required here. Only the sentence will be iron is a metal. Next, dash coffee is dash drink. Again, for a beginning, no article required. Coffee is a drink. Fourth number is a dash fish swims in dash water. Here, a article is required only in this sentence, and the correct sentence will be A fish swims in water. 5 number. Dash coat is made of dash wool. The correct sentence will be there. We can use here only a article. A coat is made of wool. Sentence number 6. Dash orange grows on dash tree. Now, what kind of oranges? Oranges are all over same in the world. Okay, so no article is required here. We can write correct sentence as orange grows on a tree. Number 7. Dash table is made of dash wool. Sorry, dash table is made of dash wood. So the correct sentence will be using correct article is a. Table is made of wood. We eat dash soup with dash spoon. So only one article we required here, and that is a, and the correct sentence will be we eat dash soup with a spoon. We can write dash letter on dash paper. Dear students, here we have to use only one correct article, and that is a. And correct sentence will be we can write a letter on paper. Next statement number 10 or sentence number 10 is the cow eats dash grass in dash summer. The cow eats dash grass in dash summer. No article required here in this sentence. This is a correct sentence itself, that the cow eats grass in summer. 11 number. I like dash jam on dash piece of dash bread. Okay. I like jam on a piece of a bread. Next number is dash ring is made of dash gold or dash silver. Dash ring. A ring is made of dash gold or silver. The correct sentence will be a ring is made of gold or silver. Dear students, please check 11 number statement is given here. I like dash jam on dash piece of dash bread. Here I like three spaces are given, three filling the blanks are given. Actually, three appropriate articles we have to choose in the present sentence. Okay, and we have to choose correct article here. See the sentence again. I like dash jam on dash piece of dash bread. Okay, in this sentence only one article is required, And the correct sentence will be, I like dash jam on a piece of dash bread. It means only one article is required, and the correct sentence will be, I like jam on a piece of bread. See here again, question number 3. Complete the following exclamation with what, a or an, or what. Note, for singular and countable use what, a or an, and for plurals and uncountables use what. You can see here first sentence is dash idea. We can see, and the exclamatory mark is given there. So the sentence, the correct exclamation will be like this: what an idea. Number 2 is dash good idea. What a good idea. Number 3, dash a full news. What a full news. Next number is dash horrible storm. So we have to use here exclamations. What a horrible storm. Number 5, dash fun your uncle is. What a fun your uncle is. Tasty cheese this is. And the correct exclamation will be, what tasty cheese this is. Dear students, you like cheese? Okay. Number 7, dash grand ideas he has. What a grand idea he has. 8 number, dash pretty face she has. 8 number, dash pretty face she has. We can say, what a pretty face she has. Okay, this is the correct exclamatory sentence. Number 9 is dash clever student you are. And we can make a correct sentence like a, what a clever student you are. Sentence number last 10, dash beautiful music they are playing. The correct word is what, and the correct sentence will be, what a beautiful music they are playing. Dear students, some hints are given here. We use the when it is clear which thing or person we mean, as the flower, the floor, the ceiling, the door, the light of a room. We can see in our house, we have a floor, ceiling, doors, and light also. Next example is the roof, the garden, the kitchen, the bedroom of a house. Again, the supermarket, the station, the airport, the mayor of a town. See, the sentences are given there, examples are given there. Mom is in the kitchen. Mom. This is an extension of mother. Some of you are calling mom, some of you are calling mama, some of you are calling mommy. Okay, so many words you can use, but only one word you can use for your loving or beloved mother, and this is a mom. Mom means mama or mummy. Mom is in the kitchen. The kitchen in the house. Okay, we used here definite article, and the article is the. Turn off the light and close the door. Again, the light and the door. This is a definite article. Do you live far from the station? I repeat. Do you live far from the station? The railway station of your town. It means only one railway station in your town. There are no 2 to 3 railway stations are there in a town. Only the article, and that is a definite article we had used here. Next sentence number last, that is, I had like to speak to the manager, please. I repeat, I had like to speak to the manager, please. The manager, and this is a definite article, the manager. We use the in the following case also. Okay, to speak a particular person or thing. Let us go to the lotus garden. Examples are given here. I am just reading these examples for you. Let us go to the lotus garden. This is the book he wants. This is the book he wants. She is the girl who won the prize. She is the only girl, I would say. Okay. She is the girl who won the prize. Next number is, we don't use the when we are talking about something in a general. I repeat, we don't use the when we are talking about something in general. For example, butter is not good for you. General. Okay. And if particular, we are going to, or someone is going to pointing out that particular word or focusing on that particular word, then we are going to use particular. As for example, the butter is in the fridge. The butter in the fridge. Next, with a singular noun to represent a whole class, as the rose smells sweet. The rose smells sweet. Everyone knows the fragrance of the flower, fragrance of the rose. And the sentence is, the rose smells sweet. In the next sentence, the cow is a useful animal. The cow, again particular. Particular, that cow is a useful animal. The cat and the lion are of the same family. This sentence is very correct. Okay, the cat and the lion are of the same family. 3 times we use here particular, the particular cat, that particular lion, and that particular family. The cat and the lion are of the same family. Next, but when we use man or woman for the whole class, we never use a, an, or the with it. Okay, man is a mortal. Woman is a man's mate. Number 3, with superlatives. Superlative, comparative, these are the degrees. Okay, with superlatives as, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. Sania is the best player of our team. Sania is the best player of our team. We used here the in these both sentences. Before an adjective when the noun is understood. I repeat, before an adjective when the noun is understood. The rich should help the poor. What exactly the adjective means? Dear students, can you tell me what exactly do you mean by adjectives? So the word adjective means a word that tells us more about a noun or pronoun is called adjective. Here, before we are using before an adjective when the noun is understood. The rich should help the poor with the names of sacred books. You know, the word sacred means what? Nearby our school, there is one church, and the name of that church is Sacred Heart. What do you mean by word sacred? Sacred means holy, and these books are there. They are holy in their particular regions. For example, the Vedas, the Purans, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran. These are the sacred books. These are the holy books. With the names of natural objects that are unique. With the name of natural objects. Natural objects are there. Which are they? The sun, the sky, the ocean, the sea, the earth. These are the natural objects. So we can use definite article the before these natural objects. Next point is with the name, last one is with the names of rivers, seas, oceans, gulfs, groups of islands, and mountain ranges. For example, you can see here we can use definite articles. Okay, the Ganga, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Indian Ocean. Again, the Persian Gulf and the Andamans, the Himalayas, the Alps. Dear students, I hope you enjoy this video. Is it not? Some examples and some questions are given there. Okay, just have a look. The questions are given there. This question are very simple. The options are given there. Choose the correct alternatives, and the options are given there. I have wrote the answers here. You please pause the video and try to check the answers which you wrote in your textbook. And if you not completed your textbook, you can complete your textbook with the help of these answers. Okay. And dear students, there is one humble request to you. In this pandemic situation, try to utilize your time. Please spend your precious time while doing study, completing workbooks, completing test books. By Monday, various exams are going to start. Please have a revision of your particular lessons and chapters. I hope you enjoy this video. Please do study at home. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.